Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial on Desire. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool that lets you turn your images into realistic videos effortlessly. Plus, I'll show you a cool trick to increase your credits, so you can create even more videos every day. So, make sure to stick around until the end. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more awesome content for you. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to Google and search for Digen AI. Click on the first result, that's the website we'll be using. Once you're inside, you'll see a collection of stunning AI-generated videos that other users have created. Check out this amazing cat animation, it looks so realistic, right? Let's open another one. Just look at how smoothly it moves. Now, to start creating our own videos, we need an account. Just like any other website, you can sign up using your Google account or any other email. I'll go ahead and sign up with my Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that you start with 300 free credits. Here's how you can earn more credits every day. Logging in daily, 120 credits. Posting in the community, 5 credits per post. Receiving comments, 3 credits per comment. Getting likes, 1 credit per like. Each video you generate costs 30 credits, and if you use lipsync, an extra 30 credits will be deducted. Creating an image costs 5 credits, and adding music doesn't cost anything extra. If you want to make even more videos, you can sign up with multiple emails and create several videos each day. Now, let's create a video. Click on the Create button at the top, and you'll be taken to this page. Here, we can upload an image by clicking the Upload button. I'll select an image to test it out. There are 2 AI models available for generating videos. RealMotion 2.0. WAN 2.1. I'll go with RealMotion 2.0 for now. You can also add audio to your video. Let's browse through some sounds.
Turn down for what? I know that last night we
Okay, I'll add this one. You can even record your own voice, but it will cost 0 extra credits. Next, we have the prompt section. This helps AI understand the style of the video we want. If you want to remove the watermark, you'll need to purchase a subscription, but it's quite affordable. For now, I'll just hit Generate without entering a prompt and see what happens. It takes a few moments. And there we go. The AI-generated video looks amazing. Now, let's try a second image, but this time with a prompt. To do this, I'll search for Leonardo AI on Google and visit their website. I've actually covered this tool before, so if you're interested, check out my other tutorials. Leonardo AI has tons of high-quality AI-generated images. Let me scroll through and find a good one. This one looks perfect. Now, I'll copy its prompt and download the image. Back to Digen AI, I'll upload the new image and paste the prompt into the box. Now, let's hit Generate and see the result. Wow! It turned out even better than I expected. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me keep making these videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.